to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2025 Mazda 6e. The automotive world is buzzing with excitement as Mazda introduces its latest creation, the 2025 Mazda 6e. This all-electric sedan blends Mazda's legendary craftsmanship with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology, setting a new standard for style, performance, and sustainability. Mazda has made a bold entry into the EV market with its first fully electric sedan. The 2025 Mazda 6e showcases a host of groundbreaking features that are sure to make it a standout in the crowded EV space. Sleek new design. The exterior reflects Mazda's Kodo, Soul of Motion design philosophy, now enhanced with futuristic touches like slim LED headlights, flush door handles, and a sleek coupe-inspired roofline. Skyactiv EV platform. Built on Mazda's innovative Skyactiv EV architecture, the 6e delivers a perfect balance of range, performance, and energy efficiency. Advanced technology. From next-generation driver assistance systems to over-the-air software updates, the 6e is packed with smart, intuitive features. The Mazda 6e's interior is a sanctuary of comfort and innovation. Minimalist layout. A clean, uncluttered dashboard design with a floating 14-inch touchscreen display. Premium materials. Eco-friendly leather alternatives, recycled fabrics, and wood-inspired trims create a luxurious and sustainable environment. Spacious cabin. Thanks to the EV platform, the 6e offers an expansive interior with generous legroom and headroom, even for rear passengers. Advanced features. Augmented reality heads-up display. Wireless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mazda Connect system with AI-powered voice recognition. Ambient lighting with customizable themes. At the heart of the 2025 Mazda 6e is its advanced electric powertrain, designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining efficiency. Performance highlights. Electric motor. Available in single or dual motor configurations, offering up to 300 horsepower and all-wheel drive for impressive performance. Battery range. The 77 kilowatt-hour battery provides up to 400 miles of range, making range anxiety a thing of the past. Fast charging. The 6e supports ultra-fast DC charging, achieving a 10% to 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Driving dynamics. Staying true to Mazda's Jinba type philosophy, the 6e ensures precise handling and a seamless connection between car and driver. The 2025 Mazda 6e is expected to hit dealerships in late 2025, with pre-orders opening mid-year. As for pricing, the 6e is anticipated to start at approximately $45,000, with higher trims potentially reaching the $60,000 range. Mazda's competitive pricing strategy ensures that this electric sedan remains accessible to a broad audience of EV enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.